Hello, this is Chad with Tools and More Tools. Today we're showcasing the Dewalt DWHT70262M SAE Hex Folding Locking Key Set. Now this ranges from 3/32 to 1/4 inch. The folding locking key set includes a push button lock feature allowing for 3 positions and includes 8 of the most commonly used hex key sets. This includes 3/32, 7/64, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, and 1/4 inch. Now this has each one has 3 position locking. The first one is 90 degrees. Second is 135 degrees. And then 180 degrees. And each of them lock in those 3 positions. So you push the button on the side to lock and unlock it. Well, I guess I should say unlock it. And it locks in the closing as well. So they are labeled here. And then on the bigger ones, it's on the silver portion right there. Now, I really like this set. I like it much better than the older metal style. I don't know how many times I've had the nut come off and my keys fall out and can't find them. Also, it's a little lighter weight as well, not by a lot, but a little bit. So this is a lot bigger than some of the competitors. But still, they're easier to get to. I really like it. I wish it was a little thinner, but if it was thinner, then it wouldn't be so easy to get to each one of them. I really like the locking function on them. And, it's a really great set. So this measures about, just shy of 5 inches. And my only complaint would be I wish they were just slightly longer. The longest one measures roughly about 2 inches. The shortest one, let's pop out the 3/32. And usable, it measures about 1 inch and 5/8. And that's about it. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and tomorrow we'll showcase another tool. Thanks again.